Hey everybody, my name is Chris Fierstein with Chris Tech here, and I hope you're doing very well. Today we're going to be learning how to use gears in Algodoo. A gear is a rotating machine part having cut teeth. Also, it's on like bicycles. The pedal is connected to a bigger gear, and then the chain is connected to the smaller gear, which is on the wheel. So when you're pedaling, that's rotating the gear, and the chain also, and that's rotating the wheel gear. So that's how the bicycle moves. So here we are in Algodoo, and now what we're going to do is we're going to select this gear tool right here. You can select the teeth size however you want, and this also comes with an axle. It's built with an axle, so you don't have to add an axle manually. So make sure to zoom in a little, because if you zoom out and you make an axle, it's gonna be like it's gonna have like tiny little teeth and like thousands of them. So you can zoom in or zoom out. I'm just gonna zoom in. So okay, so I zoomed in a little bit too much, so maybe I can zoom out a little bit. Okay, so you can see that there's a little circle outline on the middle of the axle, and the dot is matching the sky, which means there is an axle already. But the thing you have to do is you have to make the axle set to a motor, because the axle is just set is not gonna work. Like if I play it, nothing's gonna happen. So let's double click on it. Now we're gonna go to axles. We're gonna click motor. So here we can see, as you can see, the gear is moving. Let's see what it does if we put an object on top of it. Let's see what it does with an object. Oh, it just immediately yanked the ball away. So let's make a gear axle to set to motor, and then we're gonna have another gear, but the motor is gonna be neutral. And for this test, we have to make the we have to zoom out a lot for this, because if you zoom in a lot, the teeth are not going to be that good for this type of test. So we're going to select this gear, and we're going to select it to motor. You can set it to reversed or motor. It doesn't really matter if there's a neutral axle. So you can see it's making the other axle move. So let's see if we can make it like a little smaller. Let's see how it reacts if it's a little smaller gear. So let's just make sure the teeth are like not hitting hitting each other, and also make sure they're like in the space. Good. So move them back a little, like this much, so you can see it's not like touching. So let's see if it works. You can see it works perfect. Well, it's not working that perfect. You can see it's like slowing down, because still, this is new technology. Technology will be perfect in a certain amount of time. So that's basically today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Let's get to 50 subs. Comment down below on what you would like to learn in future videos. And have a nice day.